Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Libras, we are picking these cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this gentle energy, guys. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Libras. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Nine of Moons, Emperor in reverse, and Sun. So with these cards in your circumstances today, guys, Libras, you are a very kind and compassionate person, guys, and today maybe the people around you may see you as someone using your power and position to change the circumstances. So maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you want to do things the right way and you are really trying hard to make things right, to make things go in the right way, and that may be the reason you are suggesting certain things, or you want the other person or the people involved to accept your views and ideas, and that may look like some stubbornness or immaturity on your part. Maybe you are not willing to listen to their ideas and suggestions, and they feel this way. They feel that you are trying to manipulate them in some ways, guys. That may be the reason they see you as someone very stubborn, rigid, not willing to understand, not willing to change themselves for others. And maybe today, whatever it is, guys, maybe some problems you may have, but you are proved right today, even in this relationship with this person you love. Maybe you had suggested them certain things and this person was not willing to listen to you, but whatever you suggested has come in reality, and circumstances are proving you right today, and this person may get that understanding today, guys, that you are someone really talented and skilled, and maybe sometimes they can listen to you and you are doing it for their welfare and you have honest intentions towards this person you love. So things are moving towards something positive, guys, in your relationship, but you need to be careful. You need to take every step carefully in this relationship. Maybe each and every decision counts and you need to make the right choice. So if you are making some important decisions today for yourself, you have to have that deep consideration, then going for that action, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Ace of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, just like I said, you must think clearly before proceeding into something important, Maybe there are chances that this person may fall out with you. They may find some faults or find the opportunities to fight, or maybe it may lead to some misunderstanding. So you need to be really careful, guys, in your circumstances today. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 5 of Spheres. So with this card in your situation, Libras, you are someone who is really skilled and talented, and that may be the reason you are really working hard, doing your best, trying your best, maybe to bring around this situation. So maybe you may see your circumstances not going as expected. So you are putting in a lot of efforts today, guys, and that may be the reason your situation may turn around, guys. All your efforts and the concentration or the time you have put in will never go for waste, Libras. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So we will keep this card aside. Please like and comment, guys, if you like this reading. So we will see what is the card, the first card for you all. It's Snow White and it says purity. I hope you can see the card here, guys. Yeah. So with this card, it just means that you are a very honest person, guys, pure soul. Maybe in your circumstances you have seen worse circumstances with people behaving in a bad way, people with evil intentions, but all that bad intentions or worse kind of behavior has not corrupted you at all, and your beautiful character nature is going to shine through this time, guys. Maybe you are in some difficult situation, people are trying to create a lot of obstacles or lot of stressful situation for you, guys. They are trying to create problems for you, and they are jealous and they are rejecting you, and whatever is possible for them, they are doing all that. But you are someone who is a pure soul, you are a good soul, and you are just smiling, looking at your circumstances, and nothing is making an impact on you to change towards some negative things, like you don't want to retaliate to them in any way. So your kindness and your good nature, your pure heart is going to shine out today, guys, and this kindness and pure heart is what is giving you success today, guys. So whatever evil is upon you, it has not made it to your heart, and you are going to be triumphant today. You are going to win. Your good nature, your pure heart is going to win today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let us see what is the second card. So for those who chose the second card, it is yin. So with this card, it just means that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your work or in your relationship, it is the time for you to let the other person make the first move. So conscious allowing. So that is what this card means. Maybe letting the other person do what they need to do today, and you just need to wait and see where things are going. So in your relationship, you need to let the other person take the lead now. So your power lies in awareness that you are letting them do it, letting them, you're giving them the reins, yielding your reins. So you will find yourself effortlessly moving closer to what you truly desire, guys, what you truly want. So you need to let that other person tell you what they truly feel about you and who they can be to you, and letting their actions speak for themselves. So when you do that, you will be surprised, guys. It will be something which you love, but all you are doing is you are making that other person do it. So that way your dreams are going to manifest, and actions and what to say is flowing from the other person. So that is what this card is about, guys. So you are the person receiving whatever this other person is giving today, guys, to you. So that is what this card means. You just need to let that person give to you. Maybe not always we need to make the first move, we need to decide on certain things and do certain things. Sometimes we must let that other person make the move and take that action, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.